End Clothing Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping for premium streetwear and designer brands, End Clothing is a popular choice, but most people get this wrong by assuming all items are cheap or easily accessible. The surprising truth is that End Clothing specialises in high-quality brands, and pricing reflects exclusivity, material quality, and design prestige. Prices range from around for accessories like hats or socks, for t-shirts or hoodies, and 500 or more for jackets and designer sneakers. Limited releases or collaborations can push prices even higher, making it essential to know what you're paying for. What you get: access to rare and premium brands, curated collections, authentic products, and international shipping. What you give up: higher costs compared to mass market retailers, and some items sell out quickly due to high demand. Here's how to make the most of your money. Step 1. Sign up for notifications on restocks or sales. Step 2. Compare sizes and check brand-specific sizing charts. Step 3. Consider pre-owned options for higher-end items. Step 4. Take advantage of seasonal sales or promo codes. You won't believe what happens next if you assume End Clothing is just another online store. Items sell fast, and missing a release can mean waiting months or paying resale prices. The surprising truth is that quality and exclusivity come at a premium, but the investment is worth it for collectors or fashion enthusiasts. In conclusion, End Clothing offers premium fashion with prices to match. By planning purchases, monitoring restocks, and understanding sizing, you can enjoy authentic, high-quality pieces that give real value for your money.